I'm going to be changing the battery in this Ford key fob. We start out by popping this out. This key fob is used for a ton of Ford vehicles, the Escape, the Edge, the Explorer, the Maverick, the Bronco. So if you have any of that, this was also used between 2017 up to 2024. So if you have this key, this is how you do it. There's also other key fobs that they use as well, but we have our little area here. This is where you can start to pry, and then you go around and there it goes, pops out. One important thing is there's this little toe at this end, so it has to come out this way. Then we jump in here. This is our battery. That's a CR2450. I'll put a link in the description for that. You can just grab that at most stores, but the battery comes out like that. And then when you go to put it in, make sure the plus sign is up on the battery. There you go. Goes in like so. And then when we go to put this in, the toe goes in first. This side goes in first, and then press down. And that is how you change a battery on a Ford key fob. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.